Alright, so today I will show you how to fill in a water test sheets that you find in every pool binder at every H2O pool site. So first, you write down the date, so let's say Thursday, March 10, 2016, and then your name. Then you need to write down the time. So because you need to test the pool every 2 hours, you write down the time you begin your shift. So let's say you start at 7 a.m. 7 a.m. Okay, and then you need to test the pool. So you need to test the FAC, TAC, pH, check clarity, temperature, if you need to add water, the phone if it's working, observation if you add any chemicals, and your initial every 2 hours. So let's say here your FAC was 2, TAC 2, pH 7.4, clarity was 100, temperature was 84. You did not need to add any water. So no water, and the phone is okay. No observation, and you didn't need to add any chemicals because they were in the normal range. Also, initials, GD, and the alkalinity that you need to test on a daily basis. So at the beginning of your shift, you need to write it down under alkalinity. So let's say it was 100. Also, for water meter, if you read on the water meter at the pool site, you write it down here. So let's say it was 13, 6, like that. If you do not know where the water meter is, please ask your supervisor. Okay, if you ever add chemicals, so let's say at 9 a.m. the pH went super high, so it was 8 plus. So this means you need to clear the pool, close the pool, call your supervisor, let him know that you are closing the pool because pH is too high. So you would write down right here that you would add pH. So let's say you added 1400 grams of pH minus, or 2 scoops, etc., as long as you write down the quantity and the chemicals that you added. So that's pretty much it for the water analysis water test sheets. At the bottom of that sheet there is recommended chemical level for the calcium, pH, FAC, TAC, alkalinity, and stabilizer. So once again, if you have any questions regarding how to fill in the water test sheets, please don't hesitate to ask your supervisor.